Hi folks, Joe Roberts out here at Gresham Ford doing a virtual walk around on a 2005 Chevy Trailblazer with only 66,000 miles on it. This has the V6 Vortex motor in it. Let's take a look around. It's an 05 Trailblazer, 4-door with the alloy wheels in kind of a beige metallic paint with beige and black two-tone interior. You have AM, FM, CD, dual climate control, cruise and tilt, power windows, locks and mirrors. Very, very nice vehicle. Let's take a look around this thing. Nice 4-door and third row seating. Excuse me, folks. Headliner's in great condition.
Ready to finish your degree?
With only 66,000 miles.
Ready to help.
I'll take you for a walk around the body here. We're at the front of the vehicle. Hey, if you're interested in checking out this 05 Chevy Trailblazer, come on out to 1940 East Powell Boulevard, Gresham, Oregon, 97080. Got the roof rack on top, alloy wheels, Class 3 trailer tow hitch, third row seating. Got the rear windshield wiper, which is quite handy. Spare tires underneath the back. Body's just in really nice shape. With only 66,000 miles in this V6. Come on out to Gresham Ford. Once again, our phone number is 503-665-0101. Hey, and from the comfort of your home or office, check out our website at www.greshamford.com. Stock number 110755P. She's an awesome vehicle, and I look forward to showing to you in person. Joe Roberts, the Inventory Control Manager. If I'm not available, one of our friendly staff out here at Gresham Ford would love to take you for a ride in this thing. Look forward to seeing you folks soon. Thanks again.